The 100% commission offers is another good way to generate leads. It heavily involves affiliates and selling products on your website to get the buyer's email address. What are affiliates? Affiliates are online marketers that promote other people's products to earn commission. They have their own websites with their own audience, which is why you need affiliate to build the bridge to reach the untapped audience. Through their websites, they would promote a product that could be purchased online. Usually, affiliates would focus on a particular kind of product, such as electrical appliances or books and DVDs. On their websites, they would promote the product. They would also provide links to navigate to the web page where the users could make a purchase. To be an affiliate, they must first apply. Some affiliates programs would screen prospective affiliates and their websites before agreeing to work with them. The relevancy of their website's contents to the product will be taken into account. Affiliates earn commission for each sale they make. They are more than happy to help you make your sales. With their help, your audience reach expands exponentially. The commission rates for affiliates programs vary. In order to make your affiliates network grow, there is no better way to give them 100% commission for your product. So, how does this work? A buyer will be guided by the affiliates to the web page where your product can be purchased. When the buyer makes the purchase, 100% of the revenue goes to the affiliates. This product is called the front-end product. It is the product that the affiliates would promote on their websites and mailing lists. Giving all of its revenue may sound ridiculous, but this 100% commission offer sale is not for you to generate income by selling the front-end product. It's for you to garner more leads for your website. The product may seem like it's the main thing you're selling, but actually, you're after the buyer's email address. After the purchase has been made and the buyer gave their email address, they will be guided to the thank you page where they will see the back-end product. After making their purchase, at the thank you page, your buyer's email will be already included in your list. Your lead is already grown. However, it doesn't stop there. At this page, a notice will appear, telling the buyer that a confirmation email has been sent, and while waiting for their email, they could check out other products on your website. Links and short descriptions of other products you're selling should be included here in the thank you page. The products being sold here are called back-end products. This is where you can make your revenue. Remember that you have already added more leads, and now you can make more sales as well.
Hi, Abram Kutsie here, and a warm welcome to my channel. I value your precious time, and my wish for you is that you have found something of real value in this video that will help you to close more leads and to scale your business beyond your dreams. If you have found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. We will upload one module every week. I quickly want to introduce you to a brand new way to hack your social media profiles to generate unlimited free traffic for your business. It doesn't require any special skills, and it doesn't involve running complicated ads. In fact, what I'm about to show you is probably the easiest, fastest, and most beginner-friendly way to grow your business with social media today. And I'm willing to bet you didn't even know it existed. The hidden traffic on Facebook. Have you ever been scrolling around on Facebook when a post, like, or comment catches your eye, and then for whatever reason you decide to click to view that person's profile page? If you've done that before, you're not alone. I do this all the time. I'll see a post or comment or like that catches my eye, and I can't help but click to their profile page to see who that person is and what they're about. Let's be honest, we all nosy on social media. Have you ever wondered how often this is happening to you? How many people are clicking to view your profile daily? Let's do an experiment where we treat your Facebook profile like a landing page. We'll add buttons, links, and call to actions to your products and services in all the right places, and watch the magic happen. It will shock you how quickly you get results. You'll immediately tap into a consistent stream of free leads for your business just by making a few simple tweaks to your Facebook profile. And if your profile isn't set up and optimized to capture those potential customers, you're missing out big time. In this blueprint, I'm going to show you how to completely transform your Facebook profile into a lead machine that brings you new customers 24/7. The link will be in the description below this video. I hope I will see you on the other side. Take care, take action, goodbye.